Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily download and install the KakaoTalk app on your phone. It's very easy, just make sure that you have Play Store and stable internet connection on your phone. So first of all, open Play Store. And there on the home screen at the top, you will see a search bar. When you click and type KakaoTalk there, and then click on the search icon, you will see the icon for the application. So KakaoTalk is a messenger app that allows you to share text messages, photos, videos, audios with your friends, and it also allows you to do a video chat along with the live stream. So to install the app, all you need to do is click on the install button next to the icon of the application and wait for a while until it downloads. After the download is complete, you can open the KakaoTalk app, and this is what it looks like in the beginning. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope the video was helpful, and for further videos, don't forget to subscribe the channel.